just tornado 2. Okay, let's just deploy. I heard the news. There is gonna be a tornado again. Okay. Let's go left. Why is it raining? Come on, it's already day. Why is it raining? Wait, I know that means the tornado is next to us. I mean close to us. Told ya. That's why my cell phone is lagging. Am I close? Dang, there's 2. Wait, let's go there. So where is it? Damn! Am I? Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked, baby boy. Bro, I died like Titus how. I mean, I died like how Titus died. Let's just respawn and go to another place. Okay, we are over here. Wait, it's going to us. Nah. Aww. Bro, it's just a normal car. How are you so gonna survive? Wait. What should I spawn? Ooh, Dominator 2. Spawn. Oh, someone got a Dominator 3. Lucky for them. Wait. Yeah, going straight, I think that is a bad idea. I think. Yeah, it's a bad idea. Wait, let's just go left. It's not a problem. Why am I drifting? Yeah, my phone is slow. I'm sorry guys for the lag. Because of the big tornado. No, the sun is a deadly laser. Wait, am I close? Like, why am I going left? I mean, why am I going forward? Yeah, I'm close. I think it's over close to me. Yes, close. It's over there. Am I right? You're right here. Going with you. How am I supposed to put my probe? Never mind. I'm not gonna do it. I mean, I'm not gonna do it. Huh? What? Bro, that is strong as hell. Yeah, it's not even close to me. Yes, not really. Let's just do not get close to the tornado. I'm running too fast. Bro, the tornado is too fast. Faster than... No, it's a wall. That was close one. Never mind. I didn't make it. Wait, I can still go? Bro, the game is lying. Well, at least I didn't die. Can I go? I'm really stuck with a pony. The other one is still there. Yeah. What? It's already 6 minutes. Bro, it's like I just started. Wait, I show speed is in my game. Nah, that's fake, bro. That is fake. I show speed. Let's go. Yes. How many tornado? Gen, which game ba atar? Who is she? Okay, turn left. Wait, am I right? Turn left. Okay, correct. I'm correct. Is it? Did I got stuck? Am I inside? One is 198 and less than at MPH. It got a little bit stronger. Bro, how is it still here? Is this even a real tornado? Biome. I'm stuck. He's stuck. How is bro is not getting stuck? I'm stuck. Wait, let's chase it again with the Titus. Yeah, maybe the Titus. I think Titus is gonna survive. Hurry until it's there. Okay, hurry. But the Titus is literally like too slow. It's too slow than the tornado. Is that El Reno 2013? Bro, it's not 2013, it's 2026. How is it El Reno 2013? Come on, maybe the game is lying. Where did it go? I went in the wrong way. Now I'm gonna lose the tornado. Yeah, maybe never mind. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Bye bye.